So now I can reload weapons on multiplayer. And I have particles and everything on multiplayer as well. And yeah, like okay, we got functional weapons. Let's do ammunition right now. So let's go here and let's make an ammo pickup. And just so it is easier, I will just do 2 types of ammunition. Okay, 3 types of ammunition. I will do pistol ammo that will be universal, and I will do rifle ammo that will be also universal, and I will do shotgun shells and nothing else. So let's make a blueprint class. It will be an actor, and this actor will be called BP ammo template. And obviously we'll make 3 child of this actor, but first of all let's open it up. And let's say that it has a mesh, which is just a static mesh component that is the root. And let's say that it's a box, 1 meter cube even. And the scale of it is 0.2 by 0.1 by 0.1. Okay, or even 0.3, 0.2, 0.1. Okay, a box to say. And we also might need text, because why not? And this text render, we needed to go like this, like this. And here, let's make it smaller. I don't know, 10. Okay, awesome. Okay, this is enough. And it just says text, right? So on construction script, we want this text render. Set text, and value is, you know what, this is going to be an item, so we need AGR item. So we want to get AGR item and get name, item name, and this item name will be this text. So quantity, let's say 10, maximum, let's say 60, stackable definitely. Oh, this is max, I'm sorry. So this is 60, current is 10. ID, we leave it as it is, Base info, item name will be ammo. Simulate one drop, yeah, sure, why not? Item tag, and we need a new tag really. So we got primary, secondary, we got pistols, rifles, all those. But let's just say that it is utility ammo. So let's make a new tag for it. Where are our tags? Project settings, gameplay tags. This is the table. We found it. It's here. Okay, let's say item dot utility dot ammo, and now I'm going to make a duplicate and say utility ammo dot pistol, duplicate rifle, duplicate shotgun. And this is not as important honestly as what we're going to set, but I might want to cycle things by tag, so let's just keep it clean, and let's just say that this is ammo, and whatever ammo it is will then set somewhere else. So this sets everything where it comes down to item. For this we want it to simulate physics, and this is a physics actor, sure, why not? Want it to be movement replicated, not net load of client, replicated, and nothing else. So yeah, do we want to replicate movement really? I'm not sure. Do we replicate movement here? We do replicate movement. Okay, and we should use owner's relevancy if it has a working owner. So yeah, there's that. Okay, that's everything. We got this item set up, and it's just going to display what kind of ammo it has. Can we change the font? Okay, let's maybe make it even smaller. Okay, and we might need an UI to display how much ammo do we have in a second. But first of all, let's make sure that we can pick up this ammo at all, and we can do something with it. So we go back to our FPS folder. We create so BP ammo underscore pistol, and then we can just duplicate it and say rifle, and we can duplicate it and say shotgun. Okay, so for pistol we just have to set things in the AGR item now. We'll say pistol, and we'll say that it's pistol ammo, and we say current stack is 15, max stack is 60 stackable. Okay, and also did we wait, ammo template item simulate when dropped. Okay, yeah, we did set it. So this is everything. I wanted to just say pistol because if I say pistol ammo it will be too long. So this is set. Let's go here to rifle, full blueprint, and go only here, say rifle, change this to rifle. Let's say that it's 30 and max stack is 90. It's stackable. And last one is shotgun, full blueprint, because we need to have access to this. Say shotgun, and now say shotgun, compile, save. Oh, and also 8 by 48, just so they have different stacks. Okay, so we got this, and now we can place probably those items in the world somewhere. We can duplicate them. 3 times pistol, 3 times rifle, and let's set at least 1 box of shotgun shells, but we can't still pick them up because we haven't programmed anything about picking them up. So let's go to our FPS character, and we need to change a few things. So when we have this pickup, single primary, single secondary. Okay, so it's the server interaction. Item to pick up, get distance, yes. We don't really need all this anymore. We know it's working. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we need to know, like, if this item is a weapon, we want to do this. This is BPFPS character, so this goes here. So this is item primary, this is secondary. Okay. So this is interact. So if it's not this, okay, yeah, this should work. So we should just go here, and here where we got those tags, primary and secondary, we might want to add more tags right now. So for example, we want to add if the tag is utility, and I don't think we need to specify exactly. I think this should be enough, but we're going to know in a second. So yeah, like this all happens with our weapons, but what happens if we have just utility items? Well, I want to say our inventory, and we want to go from this item and just say pick up item. And we might want to use this, try pick up item, or we might get item component, just do directly. Yeah, let's just do this. Let's just run the server function. It's already on the server. And we just say our inventory, pick up this item. And let's say that we are not checking we have full ammo, or we can pick it up, because if you want to do any checks, if you are full of ammo or anything like that, you do it here. So you would just do checks here. And if you're not doing any, then don't bother. So yeah, we'll just try pick it up and we'll see what happens if they will start and we'll see if they start disappearing or not. First on single player, no, so we need to be very specific. Okay, so you know what, it will be actually a lot easier. Instead of doing a lot of tags here and just going with all of them there, what we actually going to do is to remove this execution pin. No, come on, remove execution pin, and we want to say has default. Yes, it does has default. This is the default. So if it's not primary or secondary, anything else goes here. So now this pickup should work and we can pick up items. Stack currently increased. Okay, so how do we know if we have items or not? Well, we can print them out and see how many items of what we have, and this will be just the easiest and fastest way to do it. So let's do a printout on, let's say, G. So G keyboard, it will be a printout. We're going to get inventory, all items, and for each loop, what we're going to do is we're going to get item component, and we're going to say name, stack, max stack, and what else can we yeah, we don't need anything else really. So we're going to do a print text for, I don't know, 12 seconds or even 20 seconds. I'm going to say format text. I'm going to say 1, which is an item, and then 2 divided by 3. So name, stock, max stock, boom. Okay. So I pick up, let's say, a pistol. And now if I hit G, I see nothing because it's in my equipment. But now I pick up one bullet and I see pistol 15 by 60, which is exactly the bullets, how I named this item. And I pick up more and I see 45 by 60. And if I, for example, duplicate them, and I can actually even set directly inside this item because it is instance editable. I can say that this one is 55. I can pick this one up and I can say 55 by 60. Pick this one up and I can see that I got 70 now because I got two stacks, 160 and 110. Pick up everything, wait for them to disappear. Come on. Pick up everything, everything. Okay, G, and I got 130 pistol rounds, 90 rifle, and 8 shotgun shells. Exactly as much as I picked up, everything is fine. So, how do I use this ammo now to reload the weapons? first of all, how to reload weapons. So we have to do it like this. We go here. I already created a weapon interface that goes into weapons, but I haven't used it really. So I made this function reload, but I will actually call it try reload. And it is already implemented in the weapon. So I go into weapon template, I go into class defaults, and I got this weapon interface. So I can go now into interface and say try reload, implement event. So when I try reload, what I do is I see if I can reload. So can I reload? I get I need to know what is the maximum value of ammo. So magazine size, and magazine size is an integer, and it is instance editable because we can change that with attachments. So for example, an extended magazine or something like that. So let's say that by default it's 15, or by default it could be anything that is the default for cycle ammo count, but never mind. Let's just make it some value. So first of all, we need to see if get ammo count, not including chamber, if it is less than magazine size. That means we can reload. However, we also need to see if we have any weapons, any ammo of proper type. So now we need to have a variable and say ammo class, and by ammo class I mean actor class reference, and this is very sensitive, so it has to be replicated. Magazine size has to be replicated as well. Okay, rest is just cosmetic, so it doesn't really matter. Those two, they do matter. So now we get owner. We see if owner is valid, just to check. And if the owner is valid, we want to get inventory and see if it's valid. And if it is valid, then we want to get actor of get items class. And you guessed it, this is the class we are looking for. So if we found any, we can continue. If we didn't found any, we can't reload, right? So this is still like an execution, like can we reload? So let's make it a function. Collapse nodes to a function, and let's call it can reload. And there will be a return node, and there is a success. So if it is not valid, it's not a success. If we didn't find anything, it's not a success. If we did, however, find something, and if this, then also return node, not a success. Okay, but if we did go through all of this and we got a success, then we have this filtered array of all items, and now we can do for each loop with break, for each loop really. Or you know what? We can do it even easier. We know that now inventory is valid. We can say has enough items. Now, how many bullets do we have to reload? Let's do a local variable, and let's say to reload. Let's make it an integer, and what we want to say is, well, somewhere around here we need to count it. So we must get the barrel and say get ammo once more, and this is without the chamber, or maybe get ammo count. Yeah, this is better. Without the chamber, and we just say this minus this. So magazine size, whatever it is, minus ammunition we have inside magazine without the chamber bullet because it's a +1. And now promote to local variable. No, not promote to variable, to local. Oh, we already got one. Okay, so just set to reload here. So this is the number of bullets we need to have. So if we have enough bullets of our ammo type, if we do, if this is a success, then this is the easy part. So if this is true, we are just reloading. So we are now getting again our inventory and saying remove class, and it's the same class, and this is the to reload, and we now go into EB barrel and say set ammo to max, which is the magazine size, and do not unload chamber, do cancel shooting, and new ammo is, well, whatever it is already inside the EB barrel. Yeah, so ammo is just ammo, the same, we do not change it. Okay, however, oh, and obviously if it was a success, but we know it will be a success. However, if it is not true, we don't have enough, then it's a bit tricky because we have to go through here, and we can again store it as a local variable and call it ammo. And now we can say ammo for each loop, get item, get current stack. So we know we will not make a full reload because we don't have enough ammo. So we're just going to go through all of them and have bullets, which is going to do this. And this is just 0 by default, so we're just going to get it, add this current stack and set it. So yeah, this is setting, have bullets, and on complete, yeah, on complete we have this have bullets that is increased, so we just go into EB barrel and set ammo, or maybe no, it just get ammo. The count is get ammo count, including chamber, plus have bullets. I'm pretty sure this is it. And now I overdid it, honestly. So we have to say that this true, so get items of class, and it found any bullets. This is true, which means that we can do a reload. And let's cut everything from here and let's say return success true. Okay, I know it looks yeah, I just thought that this would be better to do it like this. So can reload ends here. We go back here, can reload, and on the can reload we have a custom event try reload server, which is running on server reliably. and this is what we need to do really. And server, if it says true, then we have a second function, do the reload. Or you know what, we're actually going to have an interface call to do the reload. So yeah, just delete that, and let's go to our interface and let's do the reload. And this is an event. So we go here into our weapon, and we just say do the reload, implement event. So if this is true, we're going to do something in a second. And here is do the reload, and in do the reload we're going to call a function execute reload, and here we're going to paste all that we have. So we're going to redo some of the stuff. What was it? Oh, okay. Get owner inventory items of class. Get items of class. The class is this. We don't have to do those valid checks because we already done them once. We just set this because we know it exists. We get ammo, do all this. Okay. Create local variable and create local variable. Okay. Will it compile? No, not really. Create local variable. Okay. Inventory functions, get ammo barrel function. Okay, and we can now go can reload, and we don't really need this and this and this as well, and this function still compiles perfectly. Okay, so now this is just execution of the reload. So this is a full reload. Load what you got. Okay. So here we also have to do a remove items of class when we set ammo. And again, oh come on cat, not now. Oh, again, get inventory, remove items of class, and okay, we have to store it as well again, or do we? We don't. We just have to do it in the opposite order, like this. So now this calculation will work, and then this will happen, and it will also work, but we need to set class to this ammo class. Okay. Oh, my cat really wants to help me with my mic. Come on, what are you doing? I don't have food. Oh, apparently I do have food. Oh my god, where did he find that? He just ate a super spicy beef jerky. What is wrong with him? Okay. So yeah, this should do the reload. So how do we do the reload? Well, that's really easy. So this happens on this. So in the weapon, a lot is happening on the server, but we do want to do, okay, so this is even do the reload, and we just execute reload here. And this happens only on switch has authority. But it would work only on authority, but let's just do it like this. So this is try reload. We need to trigger this from here somehow. Well, obviously by get owner cast to character. So if we can reload, we want to montage. Okay, not gonna be that easy as well. So if this is true, this is going to be another event. Custom event. This will be called multi play reload because it's going to play montage. Multicast reliable. This is an important part to be reliable. So get owner of this actor, play montage, and the montage is reload. And this is not really just cosmetic, so this has to be replicated. I don't like references to objects to be replicated, but in this exception, that's I think for the best. However, no, not really. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't have to be replicated. Okay, so it's just a reload, and yeah, and each weapon has a reload montage, right? So there is a reload. Okay, it has to be reload player, and there's a second one, which will be reload gun. And it's a montage object reference. Okay, and we just going to say play montage and reload gun montage. And we want to expose it because some attachments might, for example, we want to change animations because we can. And this is the mesh of the owner. Okay. So we want to play reload only if this character is not playing montage. So we need to get anim instance. Any montage, is any montage playing? So if any montage is playing false, we want to play this montage of reload only. Anything else here? I think that's everything. So this will be multiplay reload. Okay, so this is on the server. Server says it's fine, that it plays montages and it plays them synchronously like this. So now we need to set montages for all the weapon actors. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's just open them up. Okay, we got them. So shotgun reload. Reload American. Oh no. Okay, let's not do the shotgun because it's annoying. Let's do, or you know what? Yeah, let's not do the shotgun for now at least. AK reload. So this is for the weapon, this is for the arms, and reload, and this is for the weapon. Okay, and we need to go for the arms, and yeah, this is not an additive animation, but it has to be upper body. Okay, so AK is done. Now here, reload and German SMG, this is weapon, this is arms, and this is reload German, and this is weapon. And again here, and we need to say that this is upper body. Okay. And hand cannon is hand reload this. And this is the weapon. And again, upper body. Okay, and Glock reload Austrian. And this is arms. Oh, and I have to open them again because I forgot about very important part. But let's save them. Let's go back to FP inventory 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's open them up. Shotgun will be tricky when it comes down to reload, but yeah. AK uses rifle ammo. Shotgun uses shotgun ammo. MP7 uses MP7. Oh no, rifle. Because why not? Ammo rifle. Hand cannon uses pistol ammo. And Glock uses pistol ammo. And this is the case where all ammunition, like one weapon uses one type of ammunition. If one weapon uses multiple types of ammunition and can use them, can change them. Well, one way to do it, you can always swap ammo class at runtime. The second way to do it is to find, instead of using class, use gameplay tag, and then from the equipment, from inventory manager, you can get of tag instead of get all items of class, and you just specify the tag to be, for example, item, utility, ammo, I don't know, pistol. And you can have multiple ammo to use this tag. So you could have pistol ammo, and you can have pistol armor piercing ammo, and you can do stuff with it here. So yeah, you could just swap all those get all items of class to get all items of tag. Okay, so this sets everything, even this shotgun. Oh, okay, also one more thing. BP Glock, class defaults, magazine size, let's say 15, let's say 8, let's say 20, let's say 8, and let's say 30. So the ones that I set in the EB barrel defaults. Save everything. Okay. Okay, now do the reload. When do we want to do the reload? Obviously, we're going to do it here. So we're just going to get all those, but let's just use the ones that we actually use here. Let's not use American, let's use AK. Let's go into Austrian. No, German, hand cannon, SKS, no. There should be an, okay, yeah, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 out of 5. So we have this. So now for them, what we actually need is another blueprint, which is an anim notify, and just a custom anim notify, and we'll call it BP execute reload. Okay, and on override receive notify, I want to say mesh component owner. So the actor owning this component, which is the character, get equipment manager, and from the equipment manager we want to say get in slot. Slot is weapon, so the active weapon right now. And then on this weapon we want to call function do the reload. Of course, if it succeeds. Okay, do the reload, and if it's false, then we still succeed with this notification. This notification always succeeds, and this always succeeds, but this doesn't have to, so let's do a valid check. This is just good practice, always do that. And here we might say if this owner has authority, because this will be called on the server as well. And but if it is called on the client, it doesn't really change anything, because you can't reload on the client, so it doesn't really matter. We can just go directly like this. Okay, and now execute reload. We go here and we do this bow and clip, and want to do notifications. So here we want to say execute reload. Here we want to say execute reload. Somewhere around here we want to say execute reload, and here okay, somewhere around here we want to say execute reload. So yeah, this is done on the animation itself that is being called on the server. So yeah, there's like a lot of things that can go wrong, but let's just test it, because why not? So let's take this one. It got only 8 shots. Let's pick up a lot of ammo for it. Okay. Okay, and I should be able to reload up to 8 bullets. Oh, but I haven't got a try reload trigger yet. That's interesting. Okay, so on G, this is a debug print inventory, but we need a reload. So on R keyboard, we want to say equipment manager, get in slot. Slot is weapon. So if we do have a weapon, we want to say try reload message. And because it's a message, we don't have to do any valid checks, or like if it doesn't implement the interface, it will just fail. Try reload. And try reload will go through here and say server try reload, and server will say can we reload, and we'll do the calculations, and then get ammo count. Okay, okay, yeah, and then we'll say if it succeeds or not, and then we'll try to reload. So let's see. I should reload up to 8 bullets. 8, okay. If I reload now, I should have 8, but I will fire only 4 times. So I should have 4 now, and if I reload, I should have 9, because I do not unload the bullet from the chamber. Nine. Okay, it seems to be working. So I fired for now 12 plus 9, Okay, the first 8 doesn't count, so I loaded 9 bullets, I guess. So if I hit G, I see that I have 39 bullets right now. So I should, 39 in the first stack, and then I have 70 more. So 70 and 39, 109 bullets. Let's reload now, and I should have 101. Okay. And I have 101. If I reload now, I should have exactly 100. And I have exactly 100. Everything works as intended. So let's test this on multiplayer. Okay, let's go into this small window guy. Whoa! Okay, let's pick up those ammo. I forgot I stacked them like this. So I have now a gun, I can fire it. So 10 shots and I got 130 ammo, so I now reload. And I got okay, I don't think it counted well, or maybe I fired more times than I thought. Okay, let's do a full reload. So I should have 15 less now, so the top shouldn't be 48, it should be 33. Reload. 33. Okay, so this works. So now it should be 31 because of the chamber one. 31. Yeah, okay, so it works. It works as intended. So now I can reload weapons on multiplayer. And I have particles and everything on multiplayer as well. And yeah, like the reload montage is very stiff, like those animations are stiff as well. I could do a more soft blend of animation poses, because this is, yeah, like the shoulders are really bad, but I can change weapons. Oh, I don't have any extra ammo, so let's pick some. Okay, reload. Reload. Awesome. Okay, so reloading with AGR inventory works without issues right now. So yeah, thanks for listening. And next stop will be attachments and procedural ADS.